finally broke the TKO.
It's always when I'm in the car. Seriously. If I ever ride with you, we break.
I wish it wasn't true. I'm pretty sad about it, honestly. Like, I have beaten the living snot out of this transmission for, I don't even know how long. You remember when we bought it?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a decade at least. And third gear just decided to say no more. I was trying to get the tune more dialed in for the altitude because I had it all adjusted for Sturgis, and now we're not going to be able to race tomorrow. Pretty bummed. We got the No Prep Kings races that I was really hoping I would get to do good in and make some money towards a new transmission, but now I'm sitting here with another broken one wondering what now. I don't know. After getting rescued, I got my truck and trailer up here to good old Walmart. And we got Sally girl all loaded up. It's okay, girl. Daddy's gonna try to get you going tonight. We still want to race. Let's get you home, baby. I'm home and the car's not here. Okay, so here's the plan. We have decided that, oh, it's dark in here. Let's turn some lights on. Let's turn some lights on. So we've decided that we're going to try to make the TKX work. If you remember, we have two of them. Look at that. It's a pile of TKXs. So we think that the one from American Powertrain might be better. Might not be. I don't really have an idea on that. I don't really care. But what we're thinking is that we can leave in second gear. So that's what we might try to do. Making some progress. I've got pretty much everything disassembled. I've got an empty case right here. Look at all the debris. Yeah, we took some teeth off. So I got to clean all this stuff out. And then I probably got to clean off, I don't know, I'm probably going to try to grind the teeth off of these. Off first gear so it doesn't hit. I don't know. I think that's what I'm going to try to do. Try to smooth it out maybe. Thing that sucks is I've got like half of a gear to do on this one. Boy, I tell you what. So, ground that gear down all the way. So, that's gone. Now I'm cleaning up the rest of this stuff. Looks like the rest of this will be all right. I'm gonna get the rest of this cleaned up and then we're gonna get it back together. So this one basically is just idler gear now. Getting a little bit closer. Got stuff back together a little bit. I gotta get this case back together. Our parts list is dwindling. Shouldn't say our parts list, our parts shelf-ish. Yes, the Tremec manual has been helpful. Check me out. We've got a TKO that is functioning. It might not have first gear working, but that's irrelevant. The fact that it's got 4 forward gears, I'm pretty excited about. So all I did was basically clean off that one gear so that nothing rubs, and first gear is basically just a whoop-de-doo that does nothing. Check this out. We're sitting in the car, I'll be like this. I'll have to start over. Second gear. Bop. Third. Bop. Fourth. Bop. I think that should be enough for the weekend. Let's see what this old girl does. I'm not going to lie. I was really close to being like, man, what am I going to do? I'm going to have to give up. And then I was like, I've got 2 of these, and I bet you we can leave in second gear and still make this work. All right, well, it's 2 in the morning. I'm going to get some sleep, and then I'm going to wake up early and get this transmission swapped into the foxbody. See you in a couple hours. Oh, time to get Sally out. Up in there on the jack stands. Okay, now I got to get transmission out, get new one swapped in. It's going to be a mad dash, so I'm not going to video much, but let's have some fun. Woo! We've got some more glitter paint. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty color. That's from the TKO. You can hear all the stuff sliding around in there. Yes! We did it good. It's just like a boneyard back here. There's shit's dead everywhere. Well, the TKX is in. You guys saw the modification. We're going to see if this bad unit will work without first gear. Got everything all tightened up. I think we're ready to rock. It's time to let this thing down, take it for a test drive. All right, let's see. Can we go forward? Hell yes. So we have forward gears. So this is the one that was built by American Powertrain that was supposedly rated to 1,000 foot-pounds. We'll see. And then I've got this other TKX over here. This one's from Blueprint, just a standard TKX. So if something happens to the one that's in there, my plan is to fix this one the same way that I fixed the other one so that we can run 2nd through 5th. It's still, so reverse is on the first gear shaft, so we don't have first or reverse, but it's better than not being able to go forward. All right, Tom, we got to load this guy up, and then we're going to head to the track. Made it to No Prep Kings, Morrison, Colorado. There's a lot of people here this year. Well, we got to get the car ready to race, so I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Drive fast, take chances. Racing videos coming soon.